Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the haptic on the Magic Tales 3 application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And click to the settings icon at the upper right corner. And here you can find the haptic option, and if you want to turn on, just click to the off button and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.